হ্যালো, গুড ইভিনিং। আচ্ছা, আমাকে একটু কনফার্ম করো যে স্ক্রিন শেয়ার হচ্ছে কিনা আর ভয়েস শোনা যাচ্ছে কিনা। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। ওকে, নাইস। আচ্ছা, আজকে আমরা একটা প্রজেক্ট রিলেটেড কাজ করব। সেটা হচ্ছে, আগের ব্যাচে আমি অলরেডি করেছিলাম, যার জন্য তোমাদের জন্য জিনিসটা সহজ হবে। সেটাই আমি জাস্ট দেখাবো। So already we covered this fake AI, like anything which is generated by fake AI scam and all already. So here one thing we did for the last batch, but I want to do something new. Okay, for you guys. New slide. Okay. এখানে আমরা যেটা করব, একটা প্রজেক্ট ক্রিয়েট করব। So we will create a project and start to end, like proper project, because our purpose is not only like one second, everyone is joining. Yeah, so our purpose, oh okay, so let's wait for 2 minutes because I will be little defocused. Okay, so the main thing in the last batch, what I did, I am just discussing. So we just use AI to solve a problem, like real life problem, from start to end. Because what happened, like most of the time, if you have your own budget, if you have your own requirement, if you want to customize everything according to your location, your budget, uh, like everything according to you, so that time that's a problem. Like you want to, like for example, a cultural fest. So in your college, most of the time what happened, if you guys are taken care of, like the whole classroom of your particular classroom has given, like you guys have to create a cultural fest. That could be any teachers day celebration, that could be any uh, fresher farewell. So in that time you have to organize each and everything. But one problem is that once though that you guys have no idea, you never did this kind of thing throughout your whole life, so it will be little difficult initially. Maybe you will contact your seniors who have already done this in your previous batch, so they might help you. Also there is lot of thing, because that time they might be busy or something, or they might not aware of the this current year's budget, what could be each and everything. Like it will be difficult because they are already passed out and they have knowledge, but again you can't contact each and everyone because they are also teamwork, that was also teamwork. So eventually it will be difficult, and for that there is AI who going to help you. If you now you have to list down what you need. Like for example, your budget could be 50,000, or 50,000 is little huge. So for that, what you want to do, like for example, you take money from uh, so fr- uh, so you take money from each and every student, for example 100 rupees or 200 rupees from 50 students. Okay, so that 50 student could be uh, yeah, like it will be 10,000 only, right? Like 100 equals to 5,000 and it will 10,000. But what would be the rest amount? 40,000. You have to collect those 40,000 as well, right? So for that, what we will do, so for that we will just go for sponsors for means like for getting any brand. We will approach little more, like any local brand or something who gonna help us to at least give some money. We will add their name to our as a, like a sponsored by this sponsored by this ABC. तो ऐसा करके so those thing we will do. Then we will select volunteers, food menu, each and everything we need to do, but we don't know what order, what kind of way, how much money will be there, what will be the food menu, promotion banner, promotion tag, registration. There will be a form where you have to fill the form whether you are coming or not, what is your food preference, whether you are participating to any kind of activity, any kind of performance or not, scheduling, what will be the time scheduling, what will be the program order, each and everything. That's a real world problem, right? Because that couldn't be like a fixed for everyone. It will be customized based on your requirement. Means uh, it will be like based on your scenario you have to decide. So that time you can take those things to help to tell AI like with what you want actually, and give me all those things like 16 points. So in that last class we actually added all those 16 points one by one from all the students. They are giving some recommendation, ma'am you can add this, that, like that way we created. So today also I will create. I am giving at least 10 to 20 minutes. Also I am giving the attendance that time, and you guys have to think about what can we actually solve as a real world problem in today's class, so that we can also like just like a cultural phase there are many other problems, and we will go through that. After writing all the points we will ask the chat gpt. There I will show how to write a prompt properly. Already you guys aware of it, but we will again write those, and then we will actually like solve those problems. And this should be a real world problem. মানে আমরা যেটা একদম বাস্তবে হয় এরকম কিছু প্রবলেম যেটা আমাদেরকে এআই হেল্প করতে পারে। সো প্রবলেম উইল নট বি লাইক we have to do any like we have to solve anything like AI. No, we want AI to solve our problem. Someone is not able to join. Okay. So I'm giving time to think about this one, and like how you can solve this problem. Okay, like think about one problem. Everyone please write down whatever kind of whatever the problem statement, like the heading, what could we solve through AI, and then give certain points whatever, like for here it's like decoration activity, each and everything related that particular problem we gonna solve. So you have I'm just giving time so that you can think about this, and then we will finally write down all those things, and we will give a prompt to solve this thing to AI. Okay, so now I'm giving the attendance firstly because I'm giving the time to think as well. 1 second. I shouldn't give attendance right now, so it will not be a good approach. So I'm just giving time to think about this. It is gonna help you, and then we will come back after 20 minutes. I'm just also giving time. 1 second. Clear প্রত্যেকের কি করতে হবে? We have to select a topic, and on that particular topic, for example I can give one topic. You guys first give topic, then we will select, and like give a topic and along with some points what kind of problem we have to solve. Like for example cultural fest, we need decoration, we need performance sequence, we need gifts, venues, scheduling, each and everything related to that particular event or program. So we need to, it's not only related, it could be a business, it could be any education, it could be anything. Just think about that, and then give certain points of how, like we have to break down all the points. Okay, and then we can start now, as of now. Is it understandable? Clear প্রত্যেকের কাছে কি বলতে চাইছি? Response করো quickly, because at the end of the day we are using AI to solve our real world problem, right? So in that way we have to think, because those problems if we have to solve by ourselves it will take longer time. So like that way we have to find another problem, another topic where we can also uh, took help from AI to solve the problems, and there we will given certain points like what we need actually, and what kind of help AI can do based on our points we will tell also properly. Like for example we have budget 10,000 but we want to make this program of around 50,000 with the sponsor, so we can include, so in total it will be like 50,000, 40,000 from sponsor. There we could take two or three sponsors, 10,000 or 10 20 10 like that way. So again that's the difference. In for that sponsorship we have to approach, how to approach, so those things we will also take help from AI, like from A to Z. Okay, so guys think now and write down whatever you guys are thinking. Repeat করবেন. Okay, so firstly in today's class we're gonna do a project, and that project is like we have to solve any real world problem, just like cultural fest we have here in the last class. In the last batch we actually did this kind of thing, like we select a problem statement, and there we just go through each and every topic. We in that particular class we write down all the points from each and every student's suggestion. We took all those things and then we give this to ChatGPT, like how can we actually solve this problem with our own customized way. Like the we have budget issue, we have like we don't have much sponsor. So there ChatGPT suggested you can take sponsors from food vendor who will support, like who will provide food. So there we can approach whether they can sponsor us. Okay, because food will be necessary in that particular cultural phase. So similar way we can solve another problem, and another problem will have another like set of points where we can actually solve one by one. Okay, so similar way I want, just like cultural fest I want another like similar thing, not exact cultural fest, similar business. It could be business, it could be education, anything, but there will be like a topic statement, and then there will be a problem statement breakdown. Okay, so I'm giving 20 minutes to think about this, at least everyone. If possible anyone can start also. তিয়াশা লিখেছে আমি অলরেডি বলে দিয়েছি যে একটা টপিক সিলেক্ট করব, সেই টপিক রিলেটেড অনেক যে পয়েন্টগুলো হয় সেটা আমাদের কাস্টমাইজ ওয়েতে আমরা নিজেরা আর কি লিখবো পয়েন্টগুলো, তারপরে আমরা চ্যাট জিপিটিকে দেবো, লুক যে এটা আমাদের আর কি পয়েন্ট, আমরা এই একটা প্রবলেম সলভ করতে চাইছি, আমাদেরকে তুমি তোমার মতো করে একটা কাস্টমাইজ হিসেবে একটা এই প্রবলেমটা সলভ করো। আমাদের যদি বাজেট এত হয় তাহলে আমরা কিভাবে কি করতে পারি, কিভাবে ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন করতে পারি, পোস্টার ডিজাইনে কত খরচ করব, ফুড মেনুতে কত খরচ করব, এভরিথিং যাতে এআই ক্যালকুলেট করে আমাদের দেয়। আর এটা একটা আগের ব্যাচে আমরা এই প্রজেক্টটা করেছিলাম, এটা তোমাদের ব্যাচে আমি এই সেম প্রজেক্ট করতে চাইছি না, আমি অন্য প্রজেক্ট এরকম, সেটা বিজনেস রিলেটেড হতে পারে, এডুকেশন রিলেটেড হতে পারে, হেলথ কেয়ার রিলেটেড হতে পারে, এনিথিং। তো তোমাদের সাজেশন আমি চাইছি তোমরা একটু চ্যাটে লেখো, you have to write the point and that money topic name and the points related, whatever points you are. If someone is choosing already someone is choosing for example any particular topic, there also you can add, like she chooses this one, so just give the topic name and then you can also add your own point. No matter like you have to only write unique points, no, already কেউ কারোর অলরেডি কোনো টপিক থাকলে সেই টপিক রিলেটেডও তোমরা কিন্তু আরও পয়েন্টস অ্যাড করতে পারো। এভাবে করে তোমরা একটু চেষ্টা করো গ্রুপে লেখার, তারপরে আমি এই জিনিসটা স্টার্ট করব। ইয়া একজন লিখেছে হাউ টু স্টার্ট আ হোম বেকারি, সেখানে ইউ ক্যান রাইট দ্য পয়েন্ট অলসো, like the budget, then the raw material, like that way try to analyze your own problem statement, what kind of thing you can, and try to add more things, so that if you really start a business or something, it will be really helpful, like in one go you can cover all the things, right? So I'm giving time to think. Please guys think, and we will also, I'm also there and you can think. After 20 minutes we can start. Okay. Actually, now try to add more points. Also, if possible, add the value also. For example, the budget. It will be interesting. In your way, try to think budget also, like add the budget, and then if your preferable food options, that also you can add in the bracket. Like that way we can, like genuinely, for example, we want some food menu, but we can't have the all the food menus, like we don't have like Vietnamese food, China. Add some input from your side also, like yeah, whom you like want the sponsor. Is it if it's from health background, health health related, or any kind of cosmetic related, that time you can ask for any cosmetic related brand. You can, সেকেন্ড, সবাই এত লেটে লেটে জয়েন হচ্ছে. So try to add all those stuff as well, and try to revise your own points. Also add those points, like that way you can add. One second, only few people have written. what's going on. Try to add your own points, like for example interior decoration gift. If it's your like, is it a business purpose or is it for uh, any as a normal gift purpose for any program, like that, anything, write down and for add those points as well, which kind of thing you want. Just like also budget, you can also mention your expected budget if possible. Also add another points uh, at your own chat, like sorry, at your own given statement you can also add. Yeah, Shami must yeah, she's writing, sorry, he is writing. Okay, so like that way try to think. Look, because prompt prompt will not take much time. We have to put much time in thinking what we need to solve. আমাদেরকে বেশি সময় দিতে হবে আমরা কি সলভ করব সেটা নিয়ে। কারণ আমরা যদি ঠিকঠাক করে করতে পারি, ওটা জানতে পারি, তাহলে অটোমেটিক্যালি চ্যাট জিপিটিকে ওগুলো আমরা দিলে ও ভালো করে দেবে। সো উই হ্যাভ টু থিঙ্ক, উই হ্যাভ টু গিভ মোর টাইম টু থিঙ্ক। ওকে, okay, nice way. Everyone is trying their like to think properly. Your brain will be like, okay, I have to think and I have to invent something. At least try to solve that. Like try to approach in that way.
বলেছি স্যারটাকে, স্যারটা তো আর কিছু রিপ্লাই
আরে
করেনি।
আমি তোমাকে তো ক্লাসের টাইম বলে দিলাম আগের দিন ক্লাসে বসেই, বলিনি?
ম্যাম
অলরেডি
আমি খেয়াল করিনি ম্যাম,
অলরেডি
সরি ম্যাম।
ক্লাসে লাইভে ভিডিও আছে, তুমি সেটাও দেখোনি, যদি ভুলেও যেয়ে থাকো।
ম্যাম আমি বলছি কি, আপনার ওই গ্রুপটা একটুখানি অ্যাড করে
আমার
নেবেন।
গ্রুপে অ্যাড করার দরকার নেই, কালকেই লাস্ট ক্লাস। আমি তো ক্লাসেই তোমাদের সাথে কানেক্টেড, আমি গ্রুপে থেকে তো এমনিও কিছু করাবো না।
আচ্ছা ম্যাম।
এটা হ্যাবিটে পরিণত হয়েছে, এক্সকিউজ দেওয়ার কোনো জায়গা নেই, আমি অলরেডি আগের ক্লাসে বলে দিয়েছি।
সরি ম্যাম।
ওকে, কালকে প্রজেক্টের আইডিয়া না, কালকে প্রজেক্টই দিয়ে দেওয়া হবে একেবারে। ওকে, সো আমি আরেকবার রিভাইজ করে দিই, মানে কি বল, মানে আমরা কি বলছি, যে আশা করি রূপম তো কিছু বুঝতেই পারছে না কি হচ্ছে ক্লাসে। যেহেতু এটা কখনোই করবে না, ক্লাসের ফার্স্ট হাফটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট। ওই টাইমে আমরা বলে দিই যে কী করতে হবে ক্লাস। ওইটা মিস করলে তো তুমি পুরো জিনিসটাই তো মিস করলে। লাস্টে যাওয়ার মানে দের ইজ নো পয়েন্ট। আমি তাও বলছি কেয়ার করার, আশা করি তুমি নিজেকে একটু বদলানোর চেষ্টা করবে। তো আমরা এখানে এরকম একটা আগের ব্যাচে আমরা একটা পয়েন্ট ছিল, মানে আগের ব্যাচে একটা প্রজেক্ট করেছিলাম ফাইনাল ডের আগে। সেখানে আমরা কোনো রিয়েল ওয়ার্ল্ড প্রবলেমকে সলভ করেছিলাম। যেরকম একটা প্রবলেম হচ্ছে যে কালচারাল ফেস্ট। এই ধরো তোমাদের কোনো কলেজে টিচার্স ডে বা ফ্রেশার ফেয়ারওয়েল